Good morning. This is call number 2009-73535 in the interest of Deshaun, Ashante, Mary, and Alaya Hunter. All parties and witnesses, please raise your right hands to be sworn. You solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, I do.
All right, ma'am, please state your name and your relationship to the children.
Sarah Hunter, and I'm their mother.
And for the state,
Jarquita Williams for the state, Your Honor.
order to note that the non-custodial parent is Frederick Eugene Hunter. Mr. Hunter was personally served on May 14th, 2021 at 7 a.m. at 73 North Drive, 2103 in Houston. He's not your peer, Zach Williams.
That's correct, Your Honor.
We're frozen.
That's correct, Your Honor.
All right. Okay. Let's proceed by default. If we
Yeah.
can.
Can you, is it not good?
I can hear you, but it looks like Miss Hunter is frozen. Looks like Mr. Barrera is frozen.
No, frozen.
Okay.
I can hear you.
All right.
Okay.
Let's proceed.
Your Honor, the state would ask for you to take judicial or notice of the child support review order suit of affecting the parent-child relationship that was signed on November 9th, 2009.
All right.
To call Ms. Hunter as his first witness. Ms. Hunter, what is your relationship to the child and the children?
I'm their mother.
And Ms. Hunter, we're here today to modify the previous order that was stated, correct?
Correct.
Ms. Hunter, do you have knowledge of whether or not Mr. Hunter is working?
Yes, he's working.
Do you know
we're having problems here. Can you hear Miss Hunter? You seem to be frozen.
No, I can hear you.
Okay, that's
I can
better.
hear her.
Okay, that's better.
I can hear her, Your Honor.
All right, she's moving now. All right, go ahead. Miss Williams.
Ms. Hunter, do you know where Mr. Hunter is employed?
No, I just know he does gutters, puts gutters up.
Okay, and Ms. Hunter, how are the children covered here for health insurance?
How are they what?
How are the children covered for health insurance?
Oh, I pay their health insurance.
Okay, and how much is health insurance? How much is your health insurance for the children monthly?
We pay $200 a month.
You pay $200 a month, and is that for how many individuals on your health insurance plan?
Me and 4 kids.
Okay, so insurance is $40 a person monthly, correct?
Mm-hmm.
And so for the 2 children of this order, the health insurance is $80 monthly.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and in this order, if granted, are you asking that the court to order Mr. Hunter to be responsible for 50% of any uncovered healthcare expenses for the children?
You're frozen again, Miss
Yes.
Williams. Miss Williams, I can't. You're frozen on the screen. You're frozen on the screen.
Oh, can you hear me now, Your Honor?
Okay, I can hear you, but you're still frozen. Go ahead.
Am I okay? I can hear everything, so I don't know if I'm frozen or not.
Yeah, okay, but sometimes when you're frozen, it breaks up. But
Okay.
Go ahead and try there. Okay, you're moving again. All right, go ahead.
Okay, I apologize about this, you all.
There's nothing you can do about it.
No further questions for this witness, Your Honor. At this time, I'd like to call Mr. Barrera as his next witness.
All right.
Mr. Barrera, say your name for the court.
Arnaldo Barrera,
And where are you employed, Mr. Barrera?
at the Office of the Attorney General,
And what is your position there?
Child Support Officer.
What is the nature of your responsibilities and duties as a child support officer?
One of my duties is to conduct investigations on calculating child support and retroactive child support.
Okay, and have you had any special training to train you to calculate child support in compliance with the Texas Family Code?
Yes, I have.
Have you calculated child support in this matter?
Yes, I have.
And what are your calculations in this matter, Mr. Barrera?
My investigation found that Mr. Hunter's gross monthly income is $4,094.31. After taxes and healthcare, his net income is $3,351.87. Giving him credit for one additional child, his child support amount should be $754 to begin October 1st, 2021, and monthly thereafter.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor. No further questions for this witness.
All right, Ms. Hunter, do you have any questions for Mr. Barrera?
No.
Okay,
Your Honor, the state would like to call Ms. Hunter again. Ms.
All
Hunter,
right.
so are you aware that child support will be set based off of Mr. Barrera's testimony?
Yes.
And are you aware that they will begin on October 1st of 2021?
Yes.
Okay, and are you also aware that you will be you will be ordered to carry the children's health insurance, and Mr. Hunter will he will have to tender $80 monthly beginning October 1st, 2021?
Okay.
And is that a yes?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. And no, are you asking this court to grant this default order?
Yes.
Do you believe it to be in the best interest of the children?
Yes.
No further questions, Your Honor. I pass this witness.
all right, the court will approve the order submitted. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. Ms. Hunter, you're free to go. Thank you for your patience today.
Thank you.
All right, we've got cause number 2005-62811 in the interest of Charles Garrett. All parties and witnesses, please raise your right hands to be sworn. You solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
I do.
I do.
All right, sir, please state your name and your relationship to the child.
Charles Garrett. I'm the child's father.
All right. And for the state,
Jarquita Williams for the state, Your Honor.
court will note that the custodial parents, Patricia Cifuentes, is not present. She was personally served on April 22nd, 2021 at 5:46 p.m. She has not filed an answer or made an appearance. Is that correct, Ms. Williams?
Your Honor, in this matter, Mrs. Cientes, she actually did appear today, but disconnected from the call prior to court. We disconnected from the negotiation Zoom prior to us coming over here for the order. And we attempted to call her back, but she didn't answer. So we just like the court to take note of that.
All right, so I will indicate on the docket sheet that she appeared earlier and left her own volition. And we'll have a default hearing.
Thank you, Your Honor. The state would like the court to take notice of the agreed child support review order in the parent-child relationship, which was signed on October the 11th, 2005, which set child support at $375 beginning October 1st, October 1st, 2005, and setting cash medical support at $75 beginning October 1st, 2005.
Okay, that was October of 2005 was the order.
Yes, sir. It was October. The order was signed on October the 11th. 2005.
Okay, all right. Court will take note of that.
Thank you, Your Honor. Your Honor, the state would like to call Mr. Garrett,
Okay,
this first witness. Mr. Are
I'm
you,
here.
what is your relationship to the children?
I'm his father.
And Mr. Garrett, are you currently employed?
No,
Okay, and Mr. Garrett, do you have any income?
yes.
Okay, and what is the substance of income?
What is what now?
I said, where do you receive your income, although you're not employed? Is it Social Security?
Yes, it's Social Security, and I have a VA pension.
Okay, and Mr. Garrett, do you know whether or not if your son receives any benefits from any of those benefits of yours?
I was told that he received Social Security.
Okay, and Mr. Garrett, are you aware whether or not there has been a lump sum of Social Security given to your son?
I wouldn't know that.
Okay. And Mr. Garrett, are you aware today that we're here to order the child support judgment and to modify the prior order that was signed in 2005?
Yes, I'm aware of it.
Okay, no further questions for this witness, Your Honor.
All right, call your next witness.
The state would like to call its next witness, Mr. Barrera.
Okay.
Are we finished
Mr.
here?
Barrera?
No, sir, you're not finished yet.
No, sir.
Thank you.
Mr. Barrera, can you state your name for the court?
Arnaldo Barrera,
And where are you employed, Mr. Barrera?
the Office of the Attorney General,
And what is your position there?
Child Support Officer,
And what is the nature of your responsibilities and duties as a child support officer?
conduct investigations on calculating child support and retroactive child support.
And have you received any special training to train you to calculate child support in compliance with the Texas Family Code?
Yes, I have.
Okay, and have you calculated child support in this matter?
Yes.
Your child support calculations, Mr. Barrera.
Based on Mr. Garrett's income from the Social Security and VA, and income totals gross $1,311. After taxes and healthcare, the proposed child support amount should be $249. Due to the fact that the child is receiving $575 per month from Social Security from Mr. Garrett's disability, child support should be set at zero to begin October 1st, 2021.
Okay, and have you calculated retroactive child support in this matter?
Yes, calculated retroactive child support also. The child started receiving per the custodial parent before she hung up. She did stated that the child was receiving that amount. She also provided a letter to the Office of the Attorney General, an award letter stating the amount that the child receives, and that she started receiving the amount September of 2019. Giving them credit for that amount, and also the custodial parent per notes to the Attorney General in September of 2019. She stated that she received a lump sum of $3,500. So giving them credit from September of 2019 through today, credit of $575 plus interest with our credit calculator, he would be giving credit of $14,419 and 18 cents plus the $3,500 lump sum. We gave Mr. Garrett a credit of 17. Moment to get to that page. Give him credit of $17,919.18 from the balance due as of today of $70,391.48, was leaves them a child support judgment as of today's date of $52,472.30 to be paid off at $275 a month to begin October 1st.
Thank you. No further questions for this witness, Your Honor.
Mr. Garrett, do you have any questions for Mr. Barrera?
No, I don't.
All right.
Your Honor,
Anything
the state will now call Mr. Garrett. Mr. Garrett, are you aware that if the state enters this default order today, you'll be ordered to pay $275 monthly towards that retroactive judgment beginning October 1st, 2021?
Yes, I understand.
Okay, no further questions, Your Honor. The state's request that you grant this default order.
All right, the court will approve the order submitted. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Ms. Barrera.